How to choose ringtone notification on Botim app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you how can you choose ringtone notification on Botim app. In order to choose ringtone notification on Botim app, you just have to follow the steps. So for that, what you want to do is make sure to update your application first thing first. So go to Google Play Store or an app store, and on the search box type in Botim. When you locate Botim, check for an update. If the application is completely up to date, go ahead and click the open button and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to this page where you need to click on the Me button at the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Once you go to Me section, you could find a list of information, a list of tabs. So go to Notification. As you go to Notifications, you want to click on Ringtone. Once you do it, so here you'll be able to find a list of options available. Now all you need to do is just go ahead and listen it out, and then you want to click or select it right next to it just by marking on it, and this way you'll have successfully selected the ringtone or chosen the ringtone notification on Botim app. Or else you could also go ahead and add a ringtone if you don't like default ones. You will go ahead and click on add ringtone at the bottom, and if you have any audio file or any of the music available, you could go ahead and add it right over here. Once you've done it, so click the OK button and you've successfully set it out. So that's the way you could go ahead and choose a ringtone notification on Botim app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.